Give me a second, everybody. Are we live? Maybe yes, maybe not. Give me a second. It's always with OBS, right? Okay, the charts are running, everybody. Give me a second. Freaking propaganda on YouTube again. All right. I believe we are live, right? Are we live? Are we live? Sound check, sound check. Yes, we are. All right, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101. How is everybody? Happy Monday, Tuesday, happy Wednesday, right? Hello, Alexander, how are you? I'm always lost with the time, right? You know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day it looks like the same. All right, everybody, never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Never forget, my job is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years, not in 1 week. In an institutional way, you know it already. You are first an analyst, then you become a trader, right, everybody? Before we continue, if you want this free ebook, everybody, the little book of trading secrets, please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. It's for free, it doesn't cost you a cent. You are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. Everybody, bring your strategy to the table. Now is the time, because we are in the Forex trading week, day 3. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction, everybody. So we're working on 1, 2, 3. And risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice, especially in the Forex trading week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live market. And we just finished from the free manual. You are not seeing it, right? From the, there you go, from the free manual. All right, we just finished Japanese candlesticks, trading Japanese candlestick. We just finished. After the Forex trading week, we're going to have the crown, and then we start with the Fibonacci's, all right? And if you didn't receive the free manual, everybody, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Just, you know, send me an email, you know, type in the chat, type in the email that, oh, please send me the free manual, and that's it. And if you are going to be a good analyst, everybody, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program group call, right? And don't mix this with the Black Friday promotion, please. That being said, everybody, let's go. Let's check yesterday's positions. So Sam, it's negative so far. Date, it's negative so far. Sam, it's also positive so far. And now it's still, so the loss is bigger than the profit, right? And date is also on the next position is profitable. And also we're going to see how this goes. So so far the positions, you know, the negative positions are winning, you know. All right, everybody, and let's check. Alexander, you did some trades yesterday. Everybody, it's too many of you, right? So please don't get offended. I don't remember everything. Alexander, you won on AUD USD, and Alex was shorting AUD CHF yesterday. Alexander, right? Let's see, AUD CHF. Let's see how this went. Yes, there are too many of you, everybody. I'm sorry, I don't remember all the strategies and all the trades. I believe you want, I'm going to check right now, Alexander. All right. And everybody, we're going to start. I need to send out emails. We're going to I'm going to send out emails, everybody. We are going to have the course Learn About Risk. I'm not sure if you're stopped out. AUDCHF, this is the 4-hour chart. Alexander, so this is date, right? Date is still in AUD. Sam, it's still shorting AUD USD. And Alexander, if you can help me out, what are you on 1 hour or 30 minutes? I don't remember. 1 hour, shorting 1 hour. All right. Did the market hit profit take? Did you profit take? Did we profit take? Sell one. Closed. I believe you got a profit, right? Or not? Alexander, looks like you. Congratulations to you. 1 hour. It was a winner, correct, Alexander? It was a winner, right? And I believe it was a winner. Entry price time, sell. Closed position, status profit 16.6 pips. Entry price. All right. It was a winner. Congratulations. I'm going to write down. So Alexander won 16.6 pips. 16.6 pips. All right. Very good. Congratulations. Did we have anything else? Alexander, date, Alex, date. This was the Alexander, did you enter anything else? Because I don't remember, everybody. There are too many of you. Yeah, congratulations. Very good. Okay, everybody, moving forward. Type in the chat. Long, short, sideways. Type in the chat what currency pairs do you want to trade or crypto. Date and Sam. Do you want to stay in the pairs you are trading? Do you want to get out? Do you want to manage? Remember, there is no right or wrong. First comes, first is served, everybody. You know the process. Type in the chat the currency pair or crypto time frame, buy or sell, what pattern, and finally, where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Boss, what if we are all negative? Then the less losing trader is going to be awarded, right? The less losing trader. Hedge fund trader Sam, are you here? Sam, are you here, Sam? We have class today. Finally, you know, the class, finally. The Advanced Institutional Trader course. Finally. And everybody, if you have any questions about this one, send me an email, right? It's not the time yet. Black Friday is coming. You know, if you have questions about fast track number 1, fast track number 2, fast track number 3, send me an email, you know. Everybody, student traders on YouTube, you have the priority. If not, I'm going to go with the students traders on the other platform. Okay. And Euro New Zealand. First comes, first is served, everybody. And we forgot to do what? We forgot to check the news, right? Check the news. Let's check the news. So yesterday night AUD was negative, so it fall, you know. And Wednesday Euro not relevant, you know. Then this is not relevant. Advanced GBP on the dollar, maybe not that relevant. China, we don't have any pairs with the renminbi. or the yuan. And tonight we have the Bank of Japan policy rate. Hopefully they are going to increase. The prediction it's not, but I'm speculating, that they're going to increase the interest rate. It would be good for my positions. Hello Sam, how are you? Sam, we have class today, finally. Alexander says GBP NZD. Let's go to GBP NZD. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Sam, do you want to keep your positions open, or do you want to manage any positions? Do you want to... Boss, what does this mean? Managing the positions means, do you want to re-enter on a winning position, double down the profits, but be careful with the risk? Or if you want to cut partially or portions of a losing position? Okay, and again, be careful with what you're doing, right? Alexander, GBP NZD 1 hour, candlestick formation, buy. Alright, give me a second. F11. Give me a second. GBP NZD amount, so we're going to go here and we're going to buy. And the stop loss is going to be, Alexander, at 2.16500. Alexander, is your trading style a scalper? Take profit 2.18900. Submit buy. Submit buy. Are you a scalper, Alexander? I have no scalpers in my group, everybody. Alright, candlestick formation, we are here. 1 per 2, very good, good plan. GBP NZD 1 hour chart. And let me write a comment, then we're going to check. So GBP NZD, add a comment. Alexander, I'm going to call you Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great, Alexander the Great. Long 1 hour candlestick formation. Alright, very good. On the 1 hour chart, the confirmation time frame, everybody, we've learned this, it's the daily. Alexander says no. Okay, very good. Yeah, I have no scalpers. In all of those years of being an active coach, starting from 2017, we are in 2000, 7 years actively coaching, Alexander the Great, what do you think about the daily? We have a problem in here, Alexander. Maybe, just maybe. What do you think about the daily candles? Just maybe. Do we have a problem in here? Oh, so Alexander is wrong. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Fibonacci is up. This is good. But on the 1 hour chart, what can happen? Extension, retracement, and extension, right? We are buying the pivot point, everybody, that we've learned this, right? And as you can see, everybody, the daily candle pushed down, the daily candle try to push down, so it's reacting to the pivot point area that you've learned. It tried to push down and now it's going up so far. There is no right or wrong. Sam says I won also. Help me out, Sam, because I don't remember. I have your trades. Alex was shorting AUDCHF. And I have your position. Give me a second. Sam, your position is still opened. The market didn't hit your take profit. Sam? Or are we talking another currency pair? Oh, the AUD USD, right? Everybody, if you want to trade GBP NZD, please type in the chat. In the meantime, we are going to check AUD USD. AUD USD. Alexander was shorting the market and Sam was shorting the market too. Sam is saying, I shorted also the AUD CHF on the 4 hour. It didn't hit your take profit, Sam. It's still opened. Still open, so AUD USD was, give me a second. So this was, Sam, this was the winner, right? Buy. This was on the 4 hour chart, I believe, Sam. This was your trade, right? If I'm not mistaken. I believe Alexander won too, if I'm not mistaken, in here. Alright, very good. So AUD-CHF, Sam, the market. I'm going to open the chart. This trade, it's still opened. AUD-CHF. Do you want to exit, Sam, partially? Do you want to close the trade? Do you want to stay in? Everybody, do you want to trade GBP NZD? Alexander entered, shorting the 1 hour. Here is the position, Sam, your AUD-CHF, maybe my picture is in between, now you have it. AUD-CHF, shortings, it's still Sam shorting the 4 hour short on trend. The market didn't hit your take profit. So if I open AUD-CHF on the 4 hour chart, see Sam? The market didn't hit your take profit. Do you want to stay in the trade? Do you want to manage the trade? Do you want to double down, enter again? Hedge fund trader Date, are you here, Date? Hedge fund trader Mo, are you here? Yes, you can ask for any currency pair, any crypto, whatever. Let's go back to GBP NZD, everybody. GBP NZD. Does anybody else want to trade GBP NZD? There is no right or wrong. Remember, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. It's a group call. Date, what do you want to do? Those are the trades. Date, you are losing on Euro AUD. Do you want to get out 100% or partially? Do you want to manage the trade? And Date, you are winning shorting USD CHF. Do you want to double down, re-enter? Okay. Long story short, do you want to manage your trade is the question. Keep it open. Okay. Alexander says, yes, I do. Date, buy GBP USD. All right. So we're moving to GBP USD, everybody. GBP. Alexander, when you say I do, are you talking about that you want to join the Learn About Risk course? Everybody, we have I'm sorry I didn't have time. I'm going to prepare to tomorrow, right? A picture or something. We're going to have it's going to be 5 weeks, 5 Saturdays. Learn how to understand risk. Okay? is going to be start of 16th of November. 5 weeks, 5 Saturdays, 4 hours per Saturday. Boss, what is there to understand risk? Well, a lot, right? We talked about this already, everybody. The understanding of risk, it's emotional. So we have here again GBP, GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Buy daily time frame, short-term extension, stop loss, take profit. All right. Alexander says GBP, I'm in position. Yes, you are. Yes, close the first one. All right, we're going to close. Date says close position. Close position. All right. Date, we closed your losing position. Do you want to re-enter on the winning position? Date. In the meantime, everybody, if you want to trade GBP USD, type in the chat. GBP USD, we are going to buy, and stop loss goes to 1.29000, and take profit goes to 1.310000. All right, submit. Date, be careful because we have the non-farm payroll. All right, and elections, everybody, the US elections are coming. This can stress the market too. Pay attention to those factors. Date, why are you risking more than you are making, date? Buy GBP USD daily time frame, short-term extension. Date, number. Everybody, we are here to learn, all right? Learn with date is the lesson. Number one, whoops. Number one, why are you risking more than you are making? And everybody, did date enter prematurely? Is date going against the short-term trend? Everybody? Is date entering prematurely? What do you think? Date, listen to me, we are all the same. I did this too. If you win, did you win because you are... Everybody, there is no nice way to tell you this, all right? I'm trying to be as nice as possible to you, okay? But there is, you know, so don't get offended, right? I did this too, don't worry. If me and Dade win, you know, did we win because we got lucky, or did we win because there was technical indicators and convergences and we went with the trend? What's the answer? And Date, if you lose, I'm going to call in the office. Date, come to the office again. Date, come to the office again. Second warning, why did you buy the mark? Why did you buy a downtrend? One more and you get fired. Everybody, those losers are not acceptable anymore. Oh, but I'm a beginner trader. It doesn't matter. Don't trade against the trend. Forex course 202, it's another story, okay? You are going to ask Sam, everybody, next week. It's more about the business. It's more about the strategies. It's more about the risk models. It's more about how to manage trades. It's more about how to re-enter, how to get out. It's more about the business, all right? Forex course 101, it's all about the market, how this market works. Alexander, you are too nice, rather lucky. We got lucky. Make sense, everybody? Everybody, the question is, does this make sense to you? I'm not asking you, do you agree with me? I'm asking you, if there is a downtrend that you can see, and me and Dave buy, and we win. We were speculating that the market goes up. Does this make sense? Because we are going against the downtrend. This is a learnable skill. Retail traders compared to institutional. Institutional traders, we make mistakes too. Nobody's perfect, but retail traders tend to speculate 90% more. Does this make sense? You are talking about the skill. You are not trading from what you are seeing. You are trading from what you think is going to happen. Make sense? Unless everybody, pen and paper or Word document, let's write down something. Unless I'm trading from speculating, I don't understand probabilities. Write down this note and print it out and glue it everywhere. Until I'm trading from speculation, meaning I'm trading from what I think is going to happen, I don't understand probabilities. Does this make sense? I don't get probabilities. I don't get it. I didn't get it. I've learned market structure, technical. I've learned about the market wave. I've learned about the short-term trends. I've learned about support, resistance, pivot points. I've learned about trend lines. I've learned about all of this stuff, but I didn't get it. So I'm speculating. I put speculative trades. Let me tell you, it's not a secret, all right? But we are here talking. Let me tell you a secret from the institutional trading. But it's not a secret, you know, it's just knowledge. Whatever you do, it must have a structure. Does this make sense? If you just throw in trades, chasing the money, if you are just throwing trades, everybody, if you are throwing trades like this, there is a candle and you are buying and you are taking chance. Read this book, everybody. If you are chasing the money and throwing trades like this, you need to read this book with this beautiful guy here. All right? Good news, that's normal. We all do this in the beginning, all right? We're all the same. Make sense, everybody? I did this too, don't worry, Date. Don't get offended, everybody. I did this too. But there is not a nicer way how to explain this, right? Sam says both of us, Alexander and I, won the trade on AUD-USD, right? The day before I won. Yes, you did, Sam. Yes, you did. AUD-USD. Alright, everybody. Anybody else want to take advantage on GBP-USD? Whatever you do, it must have structure. Exactly. Meaning, whatever trade you put, you must repeat it today. It makes sense? In other words, you must have a strategy. And doing always the same, always the same, always the same. Professional trading is really boring. It's always the same stuff. It's always the same, you know. And this is psychologically difficult. This is one of the big challenges, you know. We love the thrill of the market and we love the wow, it's going up and down and the news events. When you come to the advanced course, it's always the same. Always the same. It's always the same. Boss, can I change strategies if you want to give your money to my dogs, change the strategy forever. You sure you can change the strategy. Don't change strategies. Everybody don't. It's a lot of education, but try not to change. Dave, you are going to understand right now. If I'm constantly changing strategies, everybody listen up. Dave, this is for you. If I'm constantly changing strategies, is what I'm doing, does what I'm doing have a structure? Exactly. No, boss. It doesn't have a structure. If you keep changing setups, I mean, unless you're learning, it's okay. Unless you're learning, it's alright. You are learning, testing, back testing, trying to figure out. But once you are over the Forex course 101, everybody, Forex and crypto course 101, once you are passed over, you know, you've tested, back tested, you've trained. If you constantly keep changing setups and indicators and time frames and strategies and systems, your trading business, your trading has no structure. Does this make sense? No, it doesn't. Your brain doesn't know why you are winning and or why you are losing. This is an advanced conversation, I know. Does this make sense? If I keep changing strategies and I'm the investor here and I want to invest $1 million into your hedge fund, I'm going to tell you, Dave, explain to me, you know, give me a few examples how you win, how you lose. And Dave is going to give me a presentation about 5 different setups and 5 different strategies, and I'm an old guy. I'm going to say this trader doesn't know what he's talking about. I'm not going to tell him in the face. I'm not going to invest. Does this make sense, everybody? To get the money from investors, you need to explain to them how you win, how you lose. Not like a casino. Make sense? Oh, today this was a daily scalp, and the next day it's a moving average crossover, and the next day it's a 1 minute bullish candlestick formation, and the next day. Boss, there is a lot to learn. Yes, it is. You are in a university, everybody. Do you see in here? This profession, do you see in here? The goal to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years. And it's even a small time. I should put 5 or 6, but nobody is going to be here if I put 6 years. 3 years, it's the fast ones. It's reasonable time. You know? What you're trying to learn, it's like a university. There is a lot to learn to this profession. And never forget, 90% of traders lose. Alright? Worldwide. Okay, after this beautiful sermon, everybody, Date, what do you want to do? Do you want to stay in, get out, close the position, move the stop, move the take profit? What do you want to do? If not, everybody, let's move on the next one. Type in the chat. What cryptocurrency do you want to trade? What time frame? Buy or sell? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? We have 15 more minutes. Date, I'm not sure if I answered to your question. And Sam, let's check our time zones. We have class in about 2 hours and a half. Is this correct? Everybody, we don't change time in Brazil. We don't have this. We don't have this thing like +1 hour, -1 hour. All right? We don't have this. the daily savings time and the winter time, or what it's. We don't have this in Brazil. It's one time. Sam, can you confirm with me that it's in 2 hours and a half we have class? Sam, you are going to teach me the homework. Close the position. Applause to Dade, everybody. Dade, I'm proud of you. Everybody, let's. Dade want to GBP with the close the position. Excellent job, Dade. I'm proud of you. Everybody, what they did, it's not easy for the beginner trader, for the retail trader, for the advanced. This is not easy. Make sense? Why it's not easy? Because we want to be right. Emotionally, we don't like being wrong. Emotionally, we don't like making mistakes. Emotionally, we get attached to the losers. So, Date, congratulations to you. That's a part of the skill. You see a mistake, don't pray to God, please God, reverse the position. I prayed to God 20 years ago. God didn't help. Make sense? Boss, close the position, GBP USD, I did. Everybody, I don't remember when it was 15 years ago or 20, I don't remember. Instead of me entering with 5 lots, I entered with 50. I entered with 50 lots. And the market went my way for 2 minutes. And then the market started reversing. And when the market started reversing, I was praying to God, please God. Boss, why did you pray? Because it was a lot of money. Are you crazy? 50 lots? So I prayed to God, everybody. God didn't answer. And I lost 30% of my account in a couple of minutes. Date. Do you know how this feels? You're building your account. You are the professional trader. You are doing everything correctly. You are working hard, and the account is going up, and you are building the account, and then you lose 30% of your account in a couple of minutes. But this is how we learn, right? I mean, if you are stubborn like me, if you don't admit that you're wrong, if you are too, what's the word in English? Greedy. If you are too greedy, being greedy, it's alright. If you are too greedy. True story, Date. I was greedy. Everybody, you are not going to understand this yet. You are going to understand this in the advanced course. When you make a mistake and the market gives you the money, this is the worst possible thing that can happen to you. This is the worst thing. Because you believe, oh, it's easy, I'm going to make mega millions. Make sense, everybody? This is the worst thing, because you buy into fantasies that, I'm seeing the matrix, I can feel the market. It's all BS. It's all from our mind, I'm a superstar. I mean, I'm talking about myself. You are a freaking moron. I was thinking, I'm going to make, I was a freaking moron. Make sense, everybody? But anyway, not to take too much time, I've learned that if I make a mistake, just close the trade. Don't pray to God, like, please reverse the position. Okay, everybody, 10 more minutes. Any other currency pairs? I have stories to tell you, you won't believe it. USD CHF, Dave, do you want to double down? Re-enter again? Ask bid spread. D1 is the only profitable. Hello, ask bid spread. What do you mean D1 is the only profitable? Ask bid spread. How are we going to make money? Type in the chat a currency pair or a time frame or a crypto. Compete. As bid spread, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. Group call. As bid spread. Come on. Type in the chat a currency pair or a crypto. What time frame, buy or sell, what pattern, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. Dade, we are here. Dade, do you want to stay in the trade? Do you want to double down? Daily chart is the only profitable. Not true. Not true. You have skilled day traders, intraday traders, swing traders, scalpers. All right. Not true that only the daily chart is profitable. What is true though is that the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frames. All right. Date, everybody, do you want to trade USD CHF? And as bid spread, so pictures tell the story, right? This is me trading the 4-hour chart back in time. As bid spread, this is me back in time, 2015. 4-hour chart. See, it's not true that only the daily. Not true, everybody. All right, everybody. This is what you are trying to do. This is when you got consistently profitable. This happens once you understand how this business works. 2016 too. You know. All right. Everybody, demo account. See here, demo account, demo account. Back in time was the broker, was this one. I don't know if it's still alive. Okay. I did this for you, everybody, to show you if I can trade on a demo account for 2 years, and if I ask you, prove yourself 6 months of profitable trading, no losers in between, before you invest real money, you know, otherwise you are going to lose. Same says the noun time. So 3. Now it's 15:42. So in about 2 hours it's going to be. But we said 7 p.m. your time, right, Sam? Correct? 7 p.m. your time. As bid spread, USD CHF. Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? Everybody, we have 5 more minutes. USD CHF, everybody, do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? What time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Boss, show me your live account. In the Advanced Institutional course, everybody, you are going to see live accounts, real money, not in the Forex course 101, alright? Oh, why not? Because I want to stimulate you to do this. Alright? Most of you don't listen. Most of you throw $200, $500. €1,000, you throw this money over and over and over and over, and you are doing this for 2, 3, 5 years, and you are burning the money. You are constantly losing because you are stubborn and you don't want to listen. That prove your, not to me, to you, prove yourself that you know what you're doing. And don't fall prey to BS theories that, oh, demo accounts are for nothing. 99% of TikTokers, YouTubers are not institutional traders. Those are your neighbors from this neighborhood and that neighborhood. Respectable guys, good guys, but they don't know. But buy, it's all time now, so I have to buy. As with spread, it's you decide. We are not forcing anybody. Sam, so it's going to be 4 p.m. 5. Yes, okay, it's in 2 hours, right? We have class, Sam, in 2 hours. And you are going to teach me, Sam, what did you learn from the video of Dr. Kappas? This is how we start. Prepare a lecture, Sam. What did you learn? You are the teacher, I'm the student. Everybody, we have 4 minutes. Does anybody want to do any more trades? Remember, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson of the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. It's going to be a group call, everybody. Alright? This week on Friday, I'm going to announce who is the winner. So far, Alexander it's winning, everybody. Hedge fund trader Alexander Katsko, it's winning. He has the best result. SB spread, we have 3 minutes to go. Do you want to buy? Type in the chat. Buy, sell. Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit, everybody? You are 4 hours back. It's now it's yes, all good. So if I'm 4 hours back, then 19 minus 4 is going to be 3 p.m. All good, excellent. We met at 7 your time, right, Sam? Yes, I want to sell gold. No gold, my friend. It's crypto and Forex and crypto. No gold, everybody. I'm sorry. No gold, no pork chops, no silver, no cocoa, no sugar. Okay. S-bit spread together with date. Why would you sell something that is going up? We can go to class. Everybody, why would you short gold if it's skyrocketing? I did this too, don't worry, don't blame yourself, don't judge yourself. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to take advantage on GBP NZD, alright? Then we're going to finish. So GBP NZD, everybody, this is going to be our last trade of the day. Congratulations to S-bit spread. Boss, you are very funny. I am a funny guy. I like jokes. Give me a second. Sell GBP NZD. Are we on GBP NZD? Alright, so and see everybody, whoops, GBP NZD, right? GBP NZD, stop loss at 2.20. S-bit spread, what about take profit? We need take profit, 2 minutes to go. So I'm going to enter here without the take profit. Congratulations, beat spread. Congratulations to you because you are participating. So add a comment. I'm going to call it spread, alright? It's spread short GBP. Oh, take profit, very good. Okay, spread short. What time frame are you shorting spread? Take profit 2.14. Submit orders. GBP NZD. This is the 1 hour chart. Alright everybody, I'm sorry I need to go. We're going to talk tomorrow, alright? Daily stop loss 2.1. This is the supply zone. This is the pivot point, maybe. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. I need to go, I'm sorry. Until tomorrow, study the charts like a boss. Everybody, this is the boss signing off.